Why are we spending money in the salon, honestly? Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mal, for those of you guys that are new here, and in today's video I wanted to do something that I've been trying out for a while. I've been trying to do my nails at home, and honestly they look so beautiful. I've been getting so many compliments on my nails. They turn out so nice. I did these myself using the Madame Glam UV gel polishes. So I'm going to show you guys in this video exactly how I do them from start to finish. I did include some tips and tricks because I definitely have learned through trial and error how to do these the best way. I will link everything down below along with my discount code so that you guys can save some money if you wish to purchase these products. I hope that you guys find this video helpful, and I will see you guys. I'm jumping right into this. I'm showing you guys exactly what I used on my nails. A few things to note: you're going to want to have some rubbing alcohol on hand, a cuticle pusher, a cuticle trimmer, various nail files, and a nail buffer, along with a bowl of warm water. I decided on a classic French tip. Mine are going to be a little bit more nude. This is my natural nails. And yeah, they're not bad, honestly. They're nice and long, but definitely need some shaping. So we're gonna start this process off with soaking my hand in warm water. I'm doing one at a time, and this is gonna soften the skin on your fingers so that you can trim off those crusty cuticles. In all honesty, I was nervous to do this for the first time, so just be careful, take your time, don't rush this part. You do not want to cut your finger. Next, I'm pushing down my cuticles on each finger. I have a tool to do this, but you could definitely just use your nail. So, moving on to filing. This part is pretty important. You are most definitely going to want to pick up a salon grade quality nail file from your beauty supply store, along with a nail buffer. And it's important to have these two products because they do such a better job. It saves you so much time. You'll also notice that I'm only filing one direction on each nail, so I'm not going back and forth. I'm only filing that one direction. This takes some time to get it used to, but it does really help the integrity of your natural nails. It helps them to grow longer without ripping or chipping, so make sure you do it. Once I have the shape how I want them, I'm going ahead to file the top so that they all are the same length. I chose to do a coffin style this time for my nails. I usually do more of an almond shape, but I'm really liking this switch up. And now just going in with a little buffing on each nail, and I'm still trying to follow that same method of only doing it in one direction. This next step may not seem important, but it is. Wash your hands thoroughly so you can get all the dust off of your nails, because we're going to be painting and we don't want any of that in our nail polish. To start off with, I'm using the Madame Glam base coat. This is their UV gel polish, and I'm doing a thin layer on each nail. I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds and then wipe off any excess residue with some rubbing alcohol and a cotton pad. One thing to note is that you don't want to get this polish on the outside of your nail. You don't want to get it on your cuticle, you don't want to get it on your fingers, you only want it on your actual nail bed. And you saw I kind of took a little tool and cleaned it up after. I definitely suggest having some Q-tips or maybe some toothpicks around so that you can do that as well, because once you cure it, it's going to be stuck. So just be a little bit careful while you do your nails. The color that I decided to choose was soft pink, and I love this shade. It's like a your nail but better look. For my desired look, I did 2 coats of the soft pink polish. To do my French tip, I decided to choose the pure white. This is from their nude collection, so it's actually quite a soft white. It's not super strong in color, and I'm thankful for that because I'm not the best at drawing on the tip yet. So this color gave me a little bit of room for error because it wasn't a very pigmented, opaque white. It was more of a sheer white. RIP to my MAC 210 eyeliner brush. This brush is not meant for nails, but it worked just fine for me. I also wanted to mention that throughout the whole process of doing your nails with these gel polishes, it's very important to make sure that when you're applying the polish, you're doing thin coats. You don't want to have any parts of the nail that have an excessive amount of polish on them prior to curing your nails, because if you do, it will create a bubble, and that bubble will usually create some type of a tear or rip in the nail eventually. So to keep your nails looking the best for the longest periods of time, make sure you're being neat in your application, you're cleaning up the edges, and you're applying thin coats of polish. Once I was satisfied with how my nails looked, I went ahead and did my final top coat and of course cured it afterwards. As a finisher, we're using some cuticle oil on each finger to make sure that all of my cuticles are very moisturized. I would also just like to say that, wow, doing this myself was so relaxing. It's like self-care on another level. I remember the days when I was so lazy to do any type of thing to my nails. I would just go to a salon, and no offense to salons, but a lot of times they are not focused on the health of your nail. I love doing my nails myself because I take extra care in ensuring that my nails are healthy. And look at how good they look. I'm so impressed. I'll have all the details linked down below in the description bar for the products that I used, where I got them from, and you guys, I have a discount code. You can save some money on Madame Glam with the code MAL30. So check them out down below. Thanks again for watching this video, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Mwah! Bye!